Okay, friends, here are the directions for the splash math for this week. So if you look, you're going to see a paper that looks like this, and then you're going to get another one that has all sorts of friends looking like they're ready to go in the pool. You need to cut these out on the dark lines, okay? And then you're going to use them to go in your pool, okay? So you might do a problem that shows 4 kids in the pool, and then you take 2 out, all right? Then you're going to take this paper. So if you had, let's see, I don't have it cut out, so I'm just going to use some pennies instead. Some pennies, nickels, and dimes, I guess. So if I had 4 kids in the pool, and remember, you're going to be using the pictures, I would write on my paper that I started with 4 friends in the pool. All right. Now you're making up this story. So maybe you have 2 friends leave the pool. If 2 friends are leaving, we know that it's subtraction. And you need to show that 2 left equals, and then count how many are left. Okay? Or you could do 2 friends were in the pool, 2 more joined them, then you'd write 2 plus 2 equals 4. So you're going to make your own number sentences and show them on this answer paper. All right? The only thing that needs to come back to school is the answer paper. If you have any questions, let your teacher know.